Achoo! Oh no, Gaga baby! I sneezed and lost my color. What should I do? I will get help from the Goo Goo Colors.
Hello, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need the color green.
Okay, coming right up.
Green. Oh no, Gaga baby! You colored me the wrong color! Oops, sorry dude.
Hello, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need the color blue.
Okay, coming right up.
Blue. Blue. Black. Purple. Yellow. Come on, Gaga baby. You know this is not the right color. Come on, dude, fix me. I'll be right back.
Hello, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need the color purple.
Okay, coming right up.
Purple. Dude, this is not the right color. Oh no, I will try again.
Hello, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need the color yellow.
Okay, coming right up.
Yellow. Gaga baby, for the last time, dude, this is not the right color. Fix me, please. Sorry, dude.
Hello, Gaga baby. How may I help you?
I need the color red.
Okay, coming right up.
Red. Thank you, Gaga baby. Let's play outside.
Hey kid, let's find the Easter Bunny. Where's Goo Goo Mommy? There she is.
Hello, Goo Goo Gaga. You found me.
Hello, Mommy. Hello, Mommy. Goo Goo Mommy. Hey, where is Zizi Dad?
Zizi Dad, where are you?
There he is.
Hello, Goo Goo Gaga. You found me.
Hello, Daddy.
Here I am.
Zizi Dad. Hey, where is Zizi Kid?
Zizi Kid, where are you?
Where's Zizi Kid? There he is. Hey, Goo Gaga, you found me.
Here I am.
Zizi Kid. Where's Gaga baby?
Gaga baby, where are you?
Let's find Gaga baby. There he is.
Hello, Goo Goo Gaga. You found me.
Hi, Gaga baby.
Here I am.
Gaga baby. Hey, where's the Easter Bunny?
Easter Bunny, where are you?
Where's the Easter Bunny? There she is.
Hello, Goo Goo Gaga. You found me.
Hello, Easter Bunny.
Here I am.
Easter Bunny.
Gaga baby, it's time to wake up. Good morning, kids. What should I do next?
Brush teeth.
Okay, let's go brush my teeth.
Hey!
I need help from Goo Goo Mom. Goo Goo Mom!
I guess Gaga baby is up. Good morning, Gaga baby. Time to brush your teeth.
Yay!
All clean. Hey, kids, what should I do next?
Change clothes.
Okay, let's go change my clothes. Hey, kids, what should I do next?
Eat breakfast. Yay!
Here you go, Gaga baby. Eat up.
Hey!
Hey, kids, what should I do next?
Play with toys. Yay! Yay!
Goo Goo Gaga, it's time to go to the park.
Yay! Park! Hurry up!
Goo Goo Gaga, where are your socks?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Go in the house and find your socks, please.
Okay, Mommy. Hey! Where are my socks? Hey kid, where are my socks? Are they on the kitchen counter? Are they on a chair? Or are they on the couch? They are on the couch. Was you alright? I found my socks! I guess I missed some. Oh well. Okay, Mommy, I'm ready.
Goo Goo Gaga, where are your shoes?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Go in the house and find your shoes, please.
Okay, Mommy. Oh boy, we're going to tea. Hey! Where are my shoes? Hey kid, where are my shoes? Are my shoes by the TV? Are they in the refrigerator? Or are they on the floor? They are on the floor. Let's go see. Is you alright? Yay! I found my shoes. Oh yeah, baby. I really want. I found my shoes.
Goo Goo Gaga, where's your hat?
Oh yeah, I forgot my hat.
Find your hat, please.
Okay, Mommy. Hey, where's my hat? Is my hat on the steps? Is my hat on the bed? Or is my hat on the chair? It is on the chair. Let's see, is you alright? I found my hat! Oh yeah, baby!
Do you have on your socks?
Yes.
Do you have on your shoes?
Yes.
Do you have on your hat?
Yes, Mama. I do.
Go to the park.
Yay! Bye! What's this, guys?
What was that? Goo Goo Gaga, where are you? Hey kids, where's Goo Goo Gaga? Is he at the playground, toy store, or restaurant?
He's at the playground.
There he is, I see him. But how do I get there?
Use your magic.
Okay. Goo Goo Gaga, where are you? Goo Goo Gaga!
Uh-oh, here come Mommy.
Nope, not in there.
Happy Meal, baby.
Hey kids, where's Goo Goo Gaga? Is he in the restaurant, toy store, or library?
He's at the restaurant.
Oh yeah, I see that Goo Goo Gaga. Where are you?
He's got Mommy.
Where is Goo Goo Gaga? Hey kids, where is Goo Goo Gaga? Is he at the playground, toy store, or restaurant?
He is at the toy store.
Okay, I see him. Let's go get him. Goo Goo Gaga, where are you? Goo Goo Gaga, where are you?
Uh-oh, here comes Mommy.
Hey kids, where's Goo Goo Gaga? Is he at the playground, restaurant, or library?
He's at the library.
There he is. I see him.
Ooh, nice book.
I found you, Goo Goo Gaga.
You found me, Mommy. Do you want to read a book?
Okay, I will read a book. The first day, the new girl comes to our class. The other girls all shout. I'll show her around. Hey kids, we love you guys so much, so make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can be a part of the Goo Goo family. Thanks! Watch our next video!
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left, right, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The left, right song. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left, right, left, right. Left and right.
Oh no, my drum is broken. Hey, Mommy, what should we do?
How about you use a tool to fix the drum?
But we don't have any tool.
If you find the magic letters in the word tool, the letters will magically transform into a real tool.
Dad, we don't know how to spell the word tool.
This is how you spell the word tool. T-O-O-L. Tool.
That's easy. T-O-O-L. Tool.
Hurry and fix the drum so we can play music.
Okay, Google Mom, we will be right back. Hey kid, what's the first letter in the word tool? T. Hey Tommy the train.
Nice to see you, Goo Goo Gaga. How may I help you?
I'm looking for the letter T. May you help me?
Sure, but what sound does the letter T make?
Hey kids, what sound do the letter T make? T. It's T.
Great job, Goo Goo Gaga. Here you go.
Yes, I found the letter T, baby. Hey kids, what is the next 2 letters in the word tool? O. Hello, Mr. Owl.
Well, hello, ZZ Kid. How may I help you?
I am looking for the letter O. Can you please help me?
Sure, but what sound does the 2-letter O's make?
Hey kids, what does 2-letter O's make? It's ooh.
That's right, ZZ Kid. Here you go.
Yes, I found the letter O. Hey kids, what's the last letter in the word tool? L. Hey, Mr. Lizard.
How may I help you, Goo Goo Gaga?
I'm looking for the letter L. May you help me?
Sure, but what sound does the letter L make?
Hey kid, what sound does the letter L make? L. It's L.
Great job, Goo Goo Gaga. Here you go.
Yes, I found the letter L, baby. Yay! Find tool! Goku Mom, we found a tool.
Great job. Now fix the drum, dudes.
Hey guys, are y'all ready to play music?
Hey, we're ready, dude. Let's get it.
Okay, let's sing our cross pass. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, Hey! We need more food! Mommy. Oh, Mommy.
Yes, Goo Goo Gaga.
We need more food, Mommy.
Okay, I will get the keys.
We don't need any keys, Mommy. Food. Let's go shopping, Mommy.
Okay, but we don't have a grocery list.
That's okay, Mommy. Food.
Here you go, Goo Goo Gaga.
Thank you, Mommy.
Find healthy foods on your list while I find healthy foods on my list.
Okay, Mommy. Hey, kids. What's first food on my list? Eggs. Okay, what if I say eggs? Oh, candy!
Ooh, Mommy. Goo Goo Gaga pick up some candy.
He better not have. Goo Goo Gaga,
Yes, Mama.
is candy on the grocery list?
Hey, kids. Is candy on grocery list? No. No, Mama.
Well, put it back and find the eggs.
Okay, Mommy. Yes, I find the eggs. Hey kids, what's the second food on my list? Banana. Okay, what find banana? yeah, oh yeah. Oh, chip.
Is that Goo Goo Gaga holding chips?
Yes, Mama, that's Goo Goo Gaga.
Goo Goo Gaga?
Yes, Mama.
Are chips on the grocery list?
Hey kids, it's just on the grocery list. No. No, Mama.
We'll put it back and find the bananas.
Okay, Mommy. Yes, I found bananas. Hey kids, what's the third food on my list? Green beans. Okay, what's my green beans? Ooh, ice cream!
Ooh, Mommy, look at Goo Goo Gaga.
Hey kids, is Goo Goo Gaga following the list? Well, let's go tell him. Goo Goo Gaga?
Yes, Mama.
Is ice cream on the grocery list?
Hey kid, is ice cream on the grocery list? No. No, Mama.
We'll put that back and find the green beans.
Okay, Mommy. Yes, I found green beans. Hey kids, did we find all the food on the list? Eggs, banana, green beans. Yes, we completed our list. I want some ice cream. Dad.
Yes, Goo Goo Gaga, how may I help you?
May I have some ice cream, please?
Sorry, but we don't have any ice cream.
That's okay. Watch this. Boom!
Cool, Goo Goo Gaga. We are at an ice cream store.
Let's try some ice cream, Daddy.
What color would you like?
Blue.
Here you go, Goo Goo Gaga.
Blue. What's so funny, Zizi, Dad?
Your face is blue, silly.
Oh, yeah.
Your face is blue like a whale.
Let's try some more ice cream. Daddy?
Okay, what color would you like?
Green.
Great choice. Come right up. Here you go.
Green. What is so funny, Daddy?
Your face is green.
Yeah. Boogie.
Your face is green like broccoli.
Now you try some ice cream, Daddy.
Okay, that'll be great. How about the color pink?
Come right up. Here you go, Daddy.
Thank you.
Pink. Face is pink.
Awesome.
Daddy, your face is pink like a flamingo.
I would like more, please.
Try the yellow ice cream.
That'll be great, Goo Goo Gaga.
Here you go, Daddy.
Thank you, Goo Goo Gaga.
Yellow. Ah, your face is yellow, Dad.
I love it.
Your face is yellow like the sun.
Okay, Goo Goo Gaga, I think it's time to go home now.
Boom.
That was fun, Goo Goo Gaga.
That was super fun.
What was fun? fun?
We had ice cream and it was great.
Oh man, I wanted ice cream too.
No problem, Mommy. Boom!
Oh yeah, I love ice cream.
I smell food. Mommy.
Yes, ZZ Kid, how may I help you?
What are you cooking? That smells good.
I'm baking chicken and cooking green beans.
Mommy, I'm very hungry. I can't wait to eat.
ZZ Kid,
Yes, Google Mom.
when you are waiting for food, what should you do?
Hey kids, what should I say? Should I say, give me my food, hurry up? Or wait patiently until the food is ready? This one. Okay, Mommy, I will wait patiently.
Okay, ZZ Kid, now sit at the table and I'll bring you your food.
Okay, Mommy.
Here you go, ZZ Kid.
Thank you, Google Mom.
You're welcome, ZZ Kid.
All done. Oh, I hear a video game. Oh yeah, I'm ready. I'm gonna get home. Yeah. Oh, I hear the video game. Oh man, I died. Yeah. You've done it a whole lot of parts. I want to play ZZ Kid. Goo Gaga? Yes, ZZ Kid. If you're waiting to play the game, what should you do? Hey kids, what should I do? Should I say, I can't wait, give me the game now? Or should I wait patiently for my turn? This one. ZZ Kid, I will wait patiently. Thank you, Goo Goo Gaga, for waiting. Let's go play some toys. Hey, I want to play with toys.
Goo Goo Gaga,
Yes, Gaga, baby.
if someone is playing with a toy you want, what do you do?
Hey, kids, what should I say? Should I say, it's my toy, give it here. Or, I can wait to tell you finish. This one. I can't wait till you finish.
Thank you, Goo Goo Gaga, for waiting patiently. Here you go.
Thank you, Gaga, baby. Oh, ooh, I hear a movie.
Action.
It's easy, Dad. I want to say movie.
Goo Goo Gaga,
Yes, easy, Dad.
when you're waiting for your turn to watch the TV, what should you say?
Hey, kids, what should I say? Do I say, I can't wait, give me Uncle Joe? Or, I will wait patiently, Zizi, Dad. This one. Sorry, Dad, I can wait my turn.
Well, Goo Goo Gaga, I'm done. Here you go. And thank you for waiting patiently.
Kids, remember, when you are waiting on your turn, make sure to be patient and don't be rude to others. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
I'll be right back, guys. Ooh, I'm hungry. Oh yeah, I love pizza.
ZZ Dad,
Yes, Goo Goo Mom.
eating pizza.
Yes, Goo Goo Mom.
Is pizza healthy for you?
Hey kids, is pizza healthy?
No.
Nope, pizza isn't healthy.
Would you like a healthier option?
Oh yes, please. Oh yes, salad. All done. I'm gonna go check on the kids. yeah, it's upstairs. Goo Goo Mommy,
Yes, ZZ Dad.
eating ice cream.
Yes, ZZ Dad.
Is ice cream healthy for you?
Hey kids, is ice cream healthy?
No.
Nope, ice cream isn't healthy.
Would you like a healthier option?
Oh yes, please. I love yogurt. All done.
Mommy, it's time for you to play the game.
Okay, here I come.
Oh yeah, soda, baby.
I hear something coming from the kitchen. ZZ Dad,
Yes, Goo Goo Mom.
is soda healthy for you?
Hey kids, is soda healthy?
No.
Nope, soda isn't healthy.
Would you like a healthier option?
Oh yes, please. I love water. Tasty.
Mom, that takes forever. Let's check on them. Good, Mommy. ZZ Dad.
Yes.
Children?
Candy.
Yes, children.
Is candy healthy for you?
Hey kids.
Is candy healthy?
No.
Nope, candy isn't healthy.
Would you like a healthier option?
Oh yes, please. I love apples.
Kids, remember,
No.
pizza, ice cream, soda, and candy are not healthy.
Salad, yogurt, water, and apples are healthy.